Welcome to Fleeway Creations. Today's DIY was inspired by this Wayfair vintage-looking wall art, which features manufactured wood painted white, giving a distressed look, along with cutouts of a cup and saucer and the text, "Must have coffee." For this DIY, cardboard will be used instead of manufactured wood. I began with a 12 by 12 piece of cardboard cut from a box. White acrylic paint was then applied using a dry paintbrush. The dry paintbrush will cause lines to go across the cardboard, giving a wood and distressed look. Printouts of the text, cup, and saucer will be used to create cutouts along with an X-Acto knife. Here are the cutouts. Small pieces of painter's tape was then rolled and placed on the back of each of the cutouts. The cutouts were then pressed to another piece of cardboard. Around each of the cutouts. Time to dry. 2 coats of black acrylic paint was applied to each of the letters and the word. Allowing time to dry in between coats. Hot glue was then used to affix each of the cutouts to the cardboard. Here is the finished piece. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.